welcome to Lunch and Learn Online. I'm TFL librarian Sharon, and I'm so glad you were able to join me this afternoon. Today, we're beginning the first of a two-part workshop that will cover how to set up, verify, and manage your business profile on Google using the free Google My Business tool. Let's take a closer look together. Google My Business helps local businesses be found and manage business information on Google Search and Maps. It also works for nonprofits, and the Turner Free Library has its own profile. Any organizations that see local customers or clients face-to-face, say in a store or by visiting a customer's location, can benefit from having a business profile. Once you create and claim your listing, called verification, you can manage your information as it appears across Google Search and Maps. This helps people find important information, including phone numbers, your hours of operation, and driving directions. Today's workshop will be divided into two parts. First, we'll discuss what is a business profile on Google. Second, we'll take a tour of Google My Business and show you all the features available to help you connect with local customers across Google Search and Maps. Next week, in part 2, we're going to walk through how to claim your free profile and get you started on your own Google Business account. Now, take a look at the right side of this search results page to see an example of a business profile on Google. You've probably seen a lot that looks similar. Creating a business profile allows you to edit the information Google displays so that your business details are up to date and consistent across Search and Maps. Creating a business profile won't guarantee that your business will appear in the search results, but it can help. Appearing on Google Maps is important for your business. People visit 1.5 billion destinations every month related to their Google searches. And people are searching locally. There are billions of local searches made monthly, and more than 30% of all mobile searches are related to location. Businesses with storefronts open to customers and those that meet with customers in local service areas can appear on Google Maps. There are many signals Google uses to determine which results to show, including factors like relevancy, distance, and prominence. Relevancy is how well a business profile matches a search. If your profile is detailed and up-to-date, Google is more likely to show it for relevant searches. Distance is just like it sounds. How close is the business to the searcher or to the area specified? And prominence is gauged by how well known the business is based on information Google can find across the web. Another great feature of a business profile is that it works on all devices, so potential customers can find you no matter how they get online. This is particularly important because of the rise of mobile. Smartphones have become indispensable shopping tools, and many people rely on them to do research and make purchases. So let's take a look inside Google My Business to see what you can do. First, let's start with the anatomy of a business profile. When a shopper discovers your profile, they'll see information about your business like your address, phone number, contact info, hours of operation, and more, including photos and videos to help customers preview your store and products, reviews, which allow customers to read what others say about your business, and a description. You can write up to 750 characters of information describing your business and what makes it unique. This is a screenshot of the Google My Business dashboard, as viewed on a computer. You can start at the dashboard to access the features I'm about to introduce to you. In next week's session, I'll show you how to set up Google My Business and access this dashboard if you haven't already done so. You can start the process and access the dashboard by visiting google.com/business. You can also make updates with the free Google My Business app, available for both Android and Apple devices. The app offers another easy way to make updates to your business profile on your phone. Let's talk about the things that you can do with Google My Business. Well, to start with, you can edit your hours of operation from the Google My Business dashboard and the app. Those are pretty important. 40% of searches for local businesses are looking for hours of operation. And if your business has special hours throughout the year, say for holidays when you're closed or extended hours, you can specify particular dates in advance once you're verified and help shoppers know when exactly you're open for business. Adding business photos can help your business profile stand out. Please note that photos can be added by both the business and customers. The photos you add in your Google Business account will be eligible to show on Google after your business is verified. I'm going to walk you through the steps of verifying your business profile on Google in the next section of this workshop. And for businesses that want to show off their storefront, there's an option to add a virtual tour. This connects you to a site with information about hiring a Street View Trusted Pro, a photographer officially certified by Google to take a 3D tour of your business location and add to your profile. Another cool feature, which is currently available only on the mobile app, is the ability to add an image description with up to 80 characters of information. In addition to adding photos, you can add videos, up to 30 seconds long, to your business profile. If you're a verified business, you can create a short name or a custom name for your business profile to make it easier to share your profile with customers. The benefit? A short name enables you to promote your profile in new ways, both online, for example, requesting a review via social media, and offline, for example, including it on a flyer, which helps you to create a consistent online presence. Here's how it works. First, you'll create your short name directly on the Google My Business dashboard or from your info section. Then you can choose a personalized short name. The short name also creates a shorter URL that can make it easier for customers to find you. The format is g.page/whatever your short name is. They can also search for your business by typing the @ symbol followed by your short name into Google search. Use this custom link to share via email, in social media, and in printed materials like receipts, business cards, you name it. Another bonus, you can use this short name to make it easier for customers to leave reviews. Once your business profile is verified, you have the option to read and respond to reviews about your business published on Google. Business owners often ask for advice about negative reviews. Usually, how can I remove them? But Google won't remove a review unless it violates a content policy. Instead, Google encourages business owners to respond. Responses might explain a company policy or thank happy customers for positive feedback. The timeliness and professionalism of responses demonstrates the business listens to customer feedback and can positively influence potential customers. Sharing your short link URL is a great way to help receive more reviews. Once again, that format is g.page/short name. You can also send a link directly to the review section of the business profile by adding /review, no S, it's just singular, to the URL. Another useful feature in Google My Business is the Post feature, which allows merchants to post live updates directly on their business profile. Posts allow you to communicate in new ways with potential customers, to share info, encourage reservations, promote an email newsletter, buy products, etc. Posts appear within the body of your business profile on Search and Maps. You can create posts from the Google Business app or the web dashboard. You can also see how posts are influencing potential customers by reviewing their activity from your dashboard. The type of posts available to you are going to depend on your business category. There's a few ways to use posts, including, say, announcements about what's new, posts that emphasize a specific product, or posts that provide promotional sales or offers. Another new feature is the ability to book appointments from a business profile. It's important too. 1 out of 2 customers want to schedule an appointment when searching for a business online. Google works with third-party scheduling software providers to enable online bookings through Google Search, Maps, and Reserve with Google. All customers need to do to find and book services is tap the Book button. There are many third-party integrations, so be sure to check them out. Aside from booking class or service appointments, restaurants, for example, could use this feature to allow their customers to book reservations directly from their business profile. Your business profile also allows you to chat directly with customers from the Google Business app. This feature allows you to connect with your customers in real time. Responding to customers can help you answer their questions, tell your business's story, and attract more people to your location. To turn on messaging, you'll first sign into your Google My Business app and click the Customers tab. The message feature is at the top of the screen. You'll be prompted to set up an automated welcome message that customers will get when they first message you. You must provide a phone number that can receive SMS messages and will be readily accessible for responding to customers. If you don't respond to messages within 24 hours, Google may deactivate the messaging feature for you. When a customer messages you, it'll appear in the Google My Business app, and you'll also receive a notification. You'll need to answer them from within the app itself. Google Business also includes the option to create a free, simple website generated with the information from your business profile. It's a great starting point to being online, perfect for small businesses who don't yet have a web presence. Creating a website with Google My Business takes only about 5 minutes. There's 3 steps to follow. First, you're going to click Website from your Google My Business dashboard. Once you do this, Google My Business will pull the info from your profile to generate the website. Next, you'll have the option to customize some elements of the site, including the theme, text, and photos. When you're ready to go live, all you'll need to do is click Publish. All of these websites come with a free URL and hosting. You can customize your website address by entering the first part of the domain name. It will automatically be followed by .business.site. Alternatively, you can register your own domain name, but this option isn't free. You'll need to register the domain through Google Domains. If you've already registered a domain name, though, you can use it on your new Google site. To do so, you may need to sign into your hosting company account and choose a redirect option or something similar, or contact your hosting company and tell them to redirect your existing domain to your new Google site. The owner of the business profile can invite other people to manage the information. Incidentally, inviting another person gives them access to this Google My Business profile, but not any other Google products you might use, say Gmail. In other words, they can't read your email even if they're helping to manage your Google profile. To add a manager, click Users from the left side navigation. Click the icon of the people at the top right corner. Now, add the email addresses of the managers you'd like to invite. There are 4 different access levels you can grant them. Primary owner, which is you, unless you transfer ownership, co-owners, managers, who can do almost everything owners can except delete the profile or transfer ownership, and site managers, who have more limited access to the business profile. When you're done, click Invite to send an email to the new page managers. Once they open the email and accept the invitation, you'll see them listed as authorized managers. As the owner, though, you can revoke access to the business profile or transfer ownership at any time. Another feature available for verified profiles are Insight Reports. Insights show you how people found your business profile on the web. The reports focus on how customers use search and maps to find your profile, and what they do once they find it. Insights provide you different ways to understand how customers interact with your listing. Okay, we're going to pause here for today, and next week we'll walk through how to claim your own free profile. Thank you again for joining me this afternoon, and we'll resume our workshop on Google My Business next week. Until then, take care.